Okay, hello, this is Alexander Simonovsky here, and I'm going to show you guys how to use ChatGPT to build you a website. In this example, I go into how to make a website for a job board type of website, sort of like a LinkedIn, but we'll make a very basic example with it to show off the capability of this AI. So on our website, we show off the best queries you can use to get the most optimal and efficient answers to build a website. So for this example, I based it off this one, where I'm making a website for the type of website you desire, provide how to create using programming languages. You list the programming languages with features and you list those features. So when we go on our buddy ChatGPT over here, I go into the example. I put in this query where can you write me code in HTML, CSS, JavaScript for a job board website where I would like it to have job listings and you must generate 8 mock jobs using JSON, displaying made up company names, their job titles, and their cities. And the functionality I want for it is to search by the company, search by keyword, and search by cities. I want to make sure you can distinguish between the title of the website at the top in its own block. The second block will have the search filters functionality below it, where each filter is side to side with the search and reset button. The third block will be the job listing centered and spaced well. I want each job to have an apply button centered within each job tile that alerts you have applied when you clicked on it. Make it look nice and have a great user friendly UI and color. As a programmer and having built websites before, I have experience, so I know what to ask the AI and how I want to make the website. So I went into to depth based off that query checklist I had there. Can you write me code in HTML? So I said basically the programming languages, what kind of website I want. JSON is another programming language. Went over the functionality, and from one query, this took 30 seconds. I got this an HTML code where it has CSS styling within it, has your HTML, has the JSON mock data, has your JavaScript functionality, where is the backend for the job listings to be displayed, the apply for the jobs. It's pretty well done, pretty well explained, has comments, all done from one query and even explains it. This code creates a job board with search filters and a list of mock job listings. The apply button will trigger an alert saying you apply when clicked. You can customize the layouts yourself if you want to play with it. So when I go and put it into the code editor, just in an index HTML, I can go test it on this live server. That's on VS Code, by the way. That's what we get. Let's full screen it. Wow. Test the functionality. ABC, I see as the first comment. Yup. Data. Yup. New York. Yup. Everything works. When you apply for a job, you've applied for the job XYZ Corp. So wow. All that took one query, which took me about a minute. When you were the programmer yourself, you would take about 30 minutes to think about it, set it up structurally, and code it together to make it look like this at least. This is brilliant work done from the AI. I'm impressed. So on our website, you can also view me walking through the same thing I just showed you in this video, but sort of a different example. End up with a similar end goal where you can view the live website that we made there, download the codes, and for this one, same thing at the bottom. View this live website, you can view it here, and you can download the code here. Thank you guys.